Hey guys, let's do a kit review of the Star Trek The Motion Picture Klingon Cruiser because why not? As you can see, it's the artwork from the motion picture. The copyright on here is 7984. I'm not sure why they don't have an 86 copyright because this is the 20-year 86 edition. As you can see, it has a nice picture down here. This almost looks like, yeah, it's just a painting. It looks all sorts of wrong, but you can see it's the hanging position or the mounted position on the stand. More of the artwork on the sides. Nice pictures of the kit right here. And a little William Shatner there. And a little bit on the model kit itself. Yeah, the box is not in the great shape, but hey. Let's just take some stuff out here. Here are the decals, and they are in fairly good condition. Not yellowed at all. Being from 86, you would expect them to be in a lot worse condition than this. But yeah, there's a big Klingon symbol. You got the area around the deflector slash photon emitter. You get some Klingon text, more of the symbols. You actually have details for the engines. The honeycomb pattern on them. That looks fairly nice. We have the instructions. Your building tips here. And of course, it's the nice, big, giant, all-in-one. Putting everything together all at the same time, apparently. And then on the back it has your paint guide of olive green. And then it's got your decal placement. Here's the kit itself. It's still in the cellophane, so let us get our handy dandy trusty knife. We're actually going to cut this one open. Unlike I did for the Enterprise, because I'm as curious as you are. You're probably not curious. Oh, having nice new blades is so nice. Okay, I've never owned this kit, so I'm seeing this for the first time. In the flesh at least. I can get anything out of here. Here's your base. Your old plastic base. There is a little bit of marbling on the plastic. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but there is a touch of marbling. Let's see, you have a couple details here. Oh, these are these details. There we go, side of the head. There we have the underside of the head. We have the front here. You can see it actually has the window details in there. The back here has these details in here. Pretty nice. Looking pretty good. Let's take out the next sprue tree. We can. Here we have your head. Right here. It actually has all the window. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but it does. Yeah, there you go. You can kind of see them in the side light. All those windows are actually detailed there. I didn't think they were. I thought I'd have to guesstimate. There's your top here. The bridge dome is there, but it doesn't have the trench detail that's in there, so that's interesting. As your big neck connection piece, as your sides of the flex chillers, I think these are. As the backs of your nacelles here. They are actually recessed. These little holes are recessed. But you're going to have to drill those out if you want to light them. Oh, I just tapped that and it's coming off the sprue. Here's some more detailed parts. I'm not quite sure where those go. Oh, that's a lot of nice flash in there. Some meaty flash in the vent that goes on the front of the hangar deck. Oh, nice. Oh, everything's falling apart. See if I can get this out around here. Open this a little more. There we go. You can already tell what's on here. Oh, there's your back. So the back of the hull. No window details in there, unfortunately. So we are going to have to guesstimate what those are. You have the back of the engine deck. We are going to have to, if you want to light these are recesses. So I'm not seeing any pieces for the recess if they go on top of here, so we'll have to keep looking. Otherwise, we're going to have to cut those out. Here is your neck. Some decent detail on the neck. You got your scales there. You actually have is it a hole for the lighting? That's interesting. There's a hole there. There is no hole up here, and there is a little light right there. Oh, this looks like nacelle. Oh, here's a little piece of plastic. I'm not sure what this is. Let's see here. Oh, there are some pretty big nacelles. Yeah, those are nice. The fourth one fell off the tree, but you can see your nacelles fairly detailed in there. Look pretty nice. You can see your edging back here. Around the front, there are lights on these too. If you want to be lighting the kit up. We have your other nacelle that came loose. Here's the impulse hanger deck, which if you want to light that, you're probably going to have to be removing this little flash too. And yeah, some fairly nice detail on the top of that. Now we have the main body. Looks like the two halves. The clamshell of doom. Fairly nice wing detail on that too. You can see all those, they're very embossed. So that'll be easy when you go to paint your wing details. It'll be easy to be getting your tape in around all these nice details. Nice guide for your paint, for your tape, for your masking for your paint. Words. Here is your bottom half. Not sure if that's part of what that is. Not sure what that is. It looks like a baseball bat. But yeah, here's your underside. Has the nice vents in here. Very deep vents. And again, your nice detail, your embossed detail. So, yeah, it actually has. Oh, that's kind of neat. It's very, very, barely visible. But if you can kind of see in the highlights there, the Klingon symbol is embossed there. It's very light. That's cool. Was not expecting that. Here is the other part of your base, which is very similar to the Enterprise base that was out at the time. And here's your rando parts in here. That's a bit of sprue. That's not a part. Get out of here. Here's your photon emitter right there. It doesn't have any detail in there. You're going to have to be drilling all that detail out, or I think there's a photo etched part available for that. The back of the impulse hangar bay. This is actually the hangar windows for the shuttle bay. Some decent amount of detail in there. Not bad. And we have, these are for the sides, I believe, of the, yeah, these are for the back sides of those vent pieces that go on the side of this. They kind of go in here like this. And then those vent pieces go on here. Where did they go? They're in here somewhere. I will find you. Or not. Okay, totally. Oh, they're there. Of course, right in front of my face. Yeah, see, these vent pieces, those are kind of the rear bulkheads of those vent pieces here. You gotta get it like that. Like so, and then on there, it's a little bit of a seam you're gonna have to clean up there. So, that is the Klingon Cruiser, or Katinga if you like, from the motion picture. This is the 86 kit. You can, I believe, there is a modern issue of this, and I don't think it's changed very much at all. But there's a look at the one that was out in 86.